أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فما لكم في المنافقين فئتين والله أركسهم بما كسبوا أتريدون أن تهدوا من أضل الله ومن يضلل الله فلن تجد له سبيلا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 88. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the hypocrites. So when the hypocritic deeds or actions are open before the people, then it becomes the duty of the responsible Muslims not to cooperate with them properly like the other Muslims. Because in hidden, those people, they are not Muslim. So this way, we have to look at the commandments of Allah. So this way, our manners, our etiquettes, our way of living or dealing with those people whose hypocritic actions are open. So those must be careful. So we must be careful in all types of dealing with them, because in order to favor them or in order to fight for them that they are right is forbidden in Islam. So we can understand from this ayat. So you will see Allah said, Fama lakum, what happened to you? Fil munafiqina, about the hypocrites. What happened to you about the hypocrites? Fi'ataini, you have been divided into two groups. Wallahu, and Allah, arkasahum, Allah fall back, bima kasabu, what they have earned. So that have been wasted. Aturiduna, do you intend or do you like or do you want tahadu, do you want to give the guidance man adallallah, to whom Allah has sent towards astray. وَمَنْ يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ, if a person who has been sent down to astray by Allah, فَلَنْ تَجِدَ لَهُ سَبِيلًا, فَلَنْ, then you will never be able to find the way of guidance for that person. So we read one time more. So Allah said in this ayat, فَمَا لَكُمْ فِي الْمُنَافِقِينَ فِئَتَيْنِ وَاللَّهُ أَرْكَسَهُمْ بِمَا كَسَبُوا أَتُرِيدُونَ أَن تَهْدُوا مَنْ أَضَلَّ اللَّهُ وَمَنْ يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ فَلَنْ تَجِدَ لَهُ سَبِيلًا. So Allah said, what happened to you that you have been divided into two groups concerning the hypocrites, and Allah fall back what they have earned? Do you wish or do you like to guide those people who have been sent astray by Allah? And a person who has gone astray by Allah, you will never find the way of guidance for that person. So in this ayat, Allah has decided among the Muslims who have been divided about the hypocrites, and some were saying that these are good people, and some were saying these are no good people, they are hypocrites, and we should be careful from them. And Allah has given the full guidance for the Muslims of Medina in the guidance through Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So when Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam he migrated from Mecca to Medina, some kuffar Mecca, they came to Medina during migration and they pretended that they are Muslim. But in fact, they were not Muslim. They were just pretending that they were show off that we are Muslim, and they were having a good relationship with the Muslims also and showing to them that we are Muslim. But in fact, they were not Muslim. They were just to spy the Muslim and giving all information back to the kuffar of Makkah, and they were doing this type of job here in Medina. So after some time, when Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in his time, and these people, so when they have been identified by the Muslims, one group of Muslims, they understood that these people are not good, they are doing something wrong. So in fact, they are spying also. They those some of their actions, those were open before the Muslims of Medina, and this way Muslims of Medina, they became into two groups. One group, they were thinking that they are good Muslim, because what happened, these people, when they identified that some of their actions, they have been leaked out, they left Medina, they went back to Mecca and said to Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in one revelation it comes that they said, we are going for trading, like trade business, we are going there. And other revelation tells us that these people, they said to Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that the climatic conditions of Medina, that is not favorable for us. So this way we are going to Mecca, and this way they left for Mecca, and when they reached there, and then they stayed there forever. They never came back. And for them, the Muslims of Medina, they were in two groups with two opinion. So one group opinion was that these people, they are Muslim, they are good person, they went for trade business, or they went for maybe climatic change. When they will feel is better, they will come back. But the other group of the Muslims, they were thinking that they were our enemies, because they were in fact hypocrites. So this way they have gone there, and in fact they were not favorable for us, so they were our enemies. So this was the two opinions that came to the minds of Muslims of Medina. And Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was silent at that time. So this way this revelation came, and in this one Allah said, فَمَا لَكُمْ فِي الْمُنَافِقِينَ فِيَتَيْنِ وَاللَّهُ أَرْكَسَهُمْ بِمَا كَسَبُوا. So in this one Allah said, وَاللَّهُ أَرْكَسَهُمْ بِمَا كَسَبُوا. Allah has wasted all of their deeds. And those people, أَتُرِيدُونَ أَن تَهْدُوا مَنْ أَضَلَّ اللَّهُ. Is it possible for you to bring back to the right path who has gone astray by Allah? وَمَنْ يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ فَلَنْ تَجِدَ لَهُ سَبِيلًا. A person who has gone to astray by Allah, so there is no way to come back to the right way, like Sirat Mustaqim will not be possible for that person who has gone astray by Allah. So these people, Allah has given certificate for them that these people, they were not Muslim, they were actually munafiqeen, and Allah has whatever they have done, the deeds, Allah left those deeds upon them, so Allah has not accepted them. So this way these people, they went back there, they will not come, and they were no good people. So this was one revelation about this. So the other revelation that comes, that is, mashallah, we found from this ayat, Zayd bin Sabit radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he revealed that when Muslims, they were going to fight with the kuffar in the battle of Uhud. So they were 1,000 people with Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They were going to fight with the enemy in the battle of Uhud in the guidance of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They were 1,000 people. And on the way, Abdullah bin Abi, who was the chief of hypocrites, he said, because you have not accepted my proposal to fight with the enemy staying in Medina, so this way I am going back. I don't want to go with you to fight with the enemy outside Medina. So he said, who goes with me? So that time 300 people, they accompanied him, and they left Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They went back to Medina. And Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he went with 700 people to fight in the battle of Uhud. These people who went back to Medina, they have not participated in the battle, so they have left. So at that time, the Muslims who were with Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were divided into two groups about them. One group, they were thinking that they are still Muslim and we will not fight with them and we will not kill them. And one other group of the Muslims, they said that those people, they left Islam when they left jihad with Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They have gone out from the boundary of Islam, and killing of those people is compulsory for us now. So this was the opinion of the two groups of Muslims. And Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was waiting for the Allah's command. And Allah's command came in this ayat, فَمَا لَكُمْ فِي الْمُنَافِقِينَ فِيَتَيْنِ. So Allah said, what happened? You have been two groups about them. وَاللَّهُ أَرْكَسَهُمْ بِمَا كَسَبُوا. These are those people whose all deeds have been wasted. Whatever they have earned, those have gone. They have been fall back to them. So Allah has not accepted anything. أَتُرِيدُونَ أَن تَهْدُوا مَنْ أَضَلَّ اللَّهُ. Allah said, do you have intention to guide them to bring back to the right path to whom Allah has given the way of ignorance? How is it possible for you to bring them back? وَمَنْ يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ وَمَن يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ فَلَن تَجِدَ لَهُ سَبِيلًا. So how is possible for you to bring those people back to the guidance to whom Allah has given the way of astray? So those people who has gone astray, how is possible for you to bring them back? So Allah has decided that those people, including the chief of the hypocrites, Abdullah bin Abi, so that was also munafiq, and these were munafiqeen, and munafiqeen were those people those have gone astray by Allah. So they were like this. And one other revelation also comes, that some people who were living near Medina, but like around the Medina, there was some tribes who were living near there, and they found that the Muslims, they are in power, they are good people. Now they were thinking just for their personal benefits, worldly benefits, they became the friend of Muslims, and they were pretending that we are Muslims and we are with you. But actually, when the time of jihad was coming, they were not to participate in that. And when Holy Prophet ﷺ was saying something about special, they were not to follow. And this way, those people, Muslims, they were having two opinion about them. They are good people and they are a Muslim, nice person. The other group was saying that they are hypocrites inside, and they are because they don't go for jihad and they don't follow completely Islam, so they are hypocrites. So this way Allah has decided, Allah gave them information in this ayat, wallahu arkasahum bima kasabu. Allah has wasted their all deeds which they have earned, so those have been fall back to them. So this way no one is able to guide those people now, because the person or the people who will gone astray by Allah, is there anyone to guide that person? No. So this is very important for us. So even in one revelation that came through Sayyid bin Mansur and Ibn Abi Hatim, Sa'd bin Mu'az radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he revealed that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he has done a speech, a special type of speech, in which Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what is your opinion for that person who make fighting among the companion of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? And also that person blame the wife of Holy Prophet ﷺ, and to the wife of Holy Prophet ﷺ, who has been purified through the Holy Quran. Allah has given citing to the purification of Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha. Then Holy Prophet ﷺ recited some verses from Surah Nur also. So that person who is teasing me, and he gathered the people in his house who and try to make planning and just to tease me. And what is your opinion? Who is ready to help me for that person? So this way, that time Sa'd bin Mu'az radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he said, if that person is from tribe Os, then we will kill that person. If that person is tribe Khizraj, then we will follow the command. Whatever you will say, we will do that. So that time, Sa'd bin Ibadah, who was from Khizraj, and he said that it is not the obedience of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And that time, different people, they were talking. At that time, the difference of the people, after seeing that Muhammad bin Musalama, he stood up and he said to the people, be silent. And Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is in between us, among us. So Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what he will say, we will follow that. So at that time, this ayat came. Allah said, wallahu arkasahum bima kasabu. So those people to whom Holy Prophet ﷺ was saying, Allah said, the good deeds or whatever they have done, the deeds, those have been wasted now, and those have been fall back to them. Allah has not accepted any deed of those people. And Allah said, Aturiduna an tahadu man adallallah. Is there anyone who has who will guide those people to whom Allah has opened the way of astray? So who will be in a position to guide them? So this is وَمَن يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ فَلَن تَجِدَ لَهُ سَبِيلًا. So Allah has clearly told this one that the person who has gone astray by Allah, you will never be able to find the way of guidance for that person. So this way, now also if you look in this time also, so many people in different countries, countries of Islam, Muslim countries, so many people who are living there, but maximum majority of the people, you will find them astray, like go astray, follow the English tradition and living Islamic tradition, and even you can see and the hypocritic act of those people, those becomes open also and prominent before the people. So this is situation which is happening in the world also. So we have to be careful. So when any person who is hypocrite, his or her actions of hypocritic, if those become open before the society or before the people, we must be careful from that person, and we have to follow the commands of Allah and commands of Holy Prophet ﷺ in order to deal that person, so that we should get the good face at the day of judgment before Allah. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.